Have you ever felt completely lost in the world of finance? Bills pile up, everyone talks about credit scores, and you just don't get it. Fear not, my friend, because you're not alone. Navigating the financial landscape can be confusing, especially in Canada. But what if there was a platform designed to help you understand your credit, access financial products, and ultimately achieve financial wellness? That's where Borrowell comes in. Borrowell isn't your typical bank. It's a Canadian fintech company, a fancy term for a financial technology company working to make financial prosperity a reality for everyone. They do this by providing free credit education tools and personalized experiences to empower Canadians to take control of their financial future. Think of Borrowell as your financial Sherpa, guiding you through the sometimes treacherous mountains of credit scores, loan options, and money management. But before we dive into Borrowell's specific offerings, let's rewind a bit. Why is understanding credit important? Let's face it, credit can feel like a magic number that unlocks a world of financial possibilities, loans, mortgages, even fancy credit cards with travel points. But this magic number, your credit score, is based on your credit history. So, what exactly is a credit history? Imagine it as a report card that tracks your borrowing habits. Every time you take out a loan, open a credit card, or even miss a phone bill payment, it gets recorded on your report. Lenders use this report to assess your creditworthiness, basically, how likely you are to repay borrowed money. A high credit score indicates responsible borrowing habits and opens doors to lower interest rates and better loan terms. Conversely, a low score can make it difficult to qualify for loans or result in sky-high interest rates. Borrowell, demystifying credit scores. Here's where Borrowell steps in. They were the first company in Canada to offer free credit scores and reports. Yes, you heard that right, free. Traditionally, accessing your credit report could cost you money, creating a barrier for many Canadians to understand their financial standing. Borrowell breaks down this barrier by partnering with Equifax, one of Canada's major credit bureaus, to provide you with your credit score and report at no charge. This free access allows you to monitor your credit health regularly. You can see what factors are impacting your score, identify any errors that might be dragging it down, and track your progress over time. Knowledge is power, and Borrowell equips you with the knowledge to understand your credit and take control of your financial future. Beyond free credit scores, Borrowell's toolbox. But Borrowell doesn't stop at just showing you your credit score. They've built a toolbox of resources to help you improve it and navigate the financial world. Let's explore some of these gems. AI-powered credit coach. Meet Molly, your friendly AI companion who analyzes your credit report and provides personalized tips to help you improve your score. Molly acts like a virtual financial advisor, guiding you through steps like paying down debt or optimizing your credit card utilization. Recommendation Engine. This nifty tool analyzes your unique credit profile and suggests financial products tailored to your needs. Whether you're looking for a new credit card with better rewards or a loan to consolidate debt, Borrowell helps you find options that match your financial goals and creditworthiness. Secured credit cards and credit-building loans. Borrowell, through their acquisition of Refresh Financial, offers secured credit cards and credit-building loans. These tools are particularly helpful for those with limited credit history or a low credit score. By using these products responsibly, you can build a positive credit history and improve your overall credit score. Borrowell, a partner in financial wellness. Borrowell goes beyond just the technical aspects of credit. They understand that financial wellness is a journey, not a destination. They offer a wealth of educational resources, including articles, videos, and webinars, to help you understand various financial concepts like budgeting, debt management, and saving for retirement. By combining free credit monitoring, personalized guidance, and educational resources, Borrowell empowers Canadians to take charge of their financial future. They help you understand your credit score, build a positive credit history, and ultimately make informed financial decisions that set you on the path to financial success. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.